guys, welcome back to Cooking by the Book. We hope you had a very happy new year and we're excited to be back with another round of reading recommendations and recipes too. Today we're taking a look at Anne Hood's Kitchen Yarns. This is a collection of 27 essays and even more wonderful and simple recipes that Anne uses to take us through her life journey and memories. Today we're making Glamorous Curried Chicken Salad, which is based off Anne's memory of a Glamour magazine 1980s curried chicken salad that she made the very first time she had company over for lunch. Let's get started. For Glamorous Curried Chicken Salad, we will need 1.5 pounds of cooked chicken breasts, a half a cup of mayonnaise, a couple of stalks of celery diced, 5 teaspoons or more to taste of good curry powder, and a handful of golden raisins. If you haven't already, go ahead and shred or chop your chicken breasts. And then we're going to add to them our raisins, curry powder, diced celery, and our mayonnaise, and then we're just going to combine it all well. And once it's well combined, it is ready for us to serve with lettuce or our favorite bread. We hope you enjoyed today's Cooking by the Book episode, and we'll see you next time.